Hello, it's Gigi again. I'm just going to show you today how we transform from long curly hair to short beautiful curly hairstyle on this beautiful lady here. She has really long hair and oh, I know everybody would want that, but the hair was uneven in places and she wanted a style change as well, and she was having issues managing it and everything, so she said she wanted a cut, and there we go. So first I just reduce the length a bit so I have an idea what I'm working on, because she has such big hair, lovely curls as well. But then if you're cutting curly hair, um, it's easier because you just don't want to go in all at once. Because everybody's curl pattern is different, you have to be careful how you cut, because when you cut it very low, you might get lower than you want, or it could be longer, but it's better to be longer than shorter. So I just went in first and just reduced the volume so we can see what we're working with. And next I treated her hair, did a beautiful treatment, a moisturizing treatment before our actual cut. Now after our treatment, you notice that her curl pattern has changed. That is why you do not want to cut too low initially, because when the hair is wet, the curls might be tighter, the hair might look shorter. So it's always good to make sure that you put this into consideration. So just hang on and watch the whole transformation and tell me what you think in the comments. So I've been cutting for a while, giving it a bit of shape now, but just trying to see what suits her hair, because she knew she wanted to go shorter but wasn't 100% sure how short. So we got to this stage and she was like she still wanted to go shorter, so I made it shorter, not at the top but just more at the sides and round the back as well, but we left the top with, you know, the length that it was, because she didn't want like an all round shortcut. It's always important to carry your clients along, let them know what you're doing and ask their opinion, because nobody is perfect. Even if you're an experienced hairdresser, hairstylist, or you're just starting out, the main thing is that the person whose hair you're working on is the most important person at that time, so their opinion matters, and the way you make less mistakes in the long run is actually finding out and what they want and working with them. So always have an ear to listen. Our cut is all done, transformation is finished. Wow, look at our end results. It would be awesome for you to let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. And it was such a beautiful experience to actually make this transformation happen for this lovely, bubbly friend of mine. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos about how I do some of my hairstyles. And follow me on other social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook at Style by DG. Thanks for watching once again. Bye.